This is how you get a collaborator request code in Shopify. This code is used by Shopify partners or freelancers to request access to manage your store without needing your login credentials. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings. Just click on the Settings icon at the bottom left corner. And then from here, just click on Users and Permissions. Now scroll down to Collaborator section, and then you will see a section that says Collaborator Request Code. This is your unique code. Click Generate Code right here, underlined in blue font. And if there isn't one yet, if you don't have any collaborator request code yet, just click on this generate new one, and then you can copy and send this to your developer or agency. But if you already have it, just click on this copy button right here and you will be able to copy this code that you already have. And then you can use it when submitting their collaborator request from the partner dashboard. If you don't see that section, it's likely your store is on plan or setup that doesn't require code. Just make sure they request access using your exact store URL. You can also review and approve or deny requests from the same users and permissions page. And remember, you control exactly what they can access, such as apps, products, orders, and so on. And that's how you get your Shopify collaborator request code. It's a safe way to give help without giving your full login.